Wala ka long tang kating up, but sngo bakam day kabadan kam than. Hindoy katanat wildlife kalayo ban palaj kaway kating up no Holy Cross Mercy Home. Karkum ke jethu jing Sister Delphine jang Holy Cross Mercy Home kaway kating up kala sakut hakisit ki badan haplau jang Mercy Home bar kani kating up kala linear bat pa jambha namar bakam la shu ban palaj aladi. Ini sister habai loyo iya kani kating up kabala sakut ila phone no chakatanat wildlife badai hadian bakatanat wildlife kala poi hakani ka jaka bagi sala ban palaj ya kani kating up. Sister Delphine ila yithuru bakani kating up kala khamshi tomjur bat kumta katanat wildlife kala rashwa lady Hydri Park but I ke jing sumaria ka bar kila kular batang shiyo bor ken sawalam biang Mercy Home but ke sapalaj pat yaka hakani ka jaka.
Tuesday afternoon around 3 or 4 we saw that one. Then girls and we cut one long bamboo. We're trying to release it, but the tree was so high.
Okay.
And we all are girls, ladies here. We can't climb the trees. Then we didn't know what to do. We saw the crows flying, and it became late evening. Our time for prayer. We went on. Next morning, when I got up, I saw again, and girls were trying another stick with a bigger stick, and they were trying to remove, but no, because it was really entangled. And then his doctor saw, Dr. Linda, I think one who called you.
Okay.
And then he called me and told Sister, like this one happened. Did you say? I said, yes, sir, we have tried, but we cannot. Then he called the wildlife scientific fellows, Mr. Herman. Then he gave me the number of Herman. Then I called Herman. Then I told him the problem. I took some photos of the tree to say the height and the length and breadth of the tree. And then they came around 10:30 or 11 something they came because they were working for the fellows who could climb the trees.
Okay.
And then they came, the poor thing, they struggled a lot because they too were trying with a stick, nothing. They climbed the tree. And first, finally they could cut that thread, the kite thread. It was a hard thread. Not easily cannot break. And then when we took out, we saw the wing was already in the kite, that the twine was all twisted around the wing of the crow. They released it. They put betadine, did lot of, but then they again went to release in the same place, but the crow could not fly.
Okay.
It's a little. They tell me maybe 3 months old. This crow. The family members were all hovering over there, making sound, crowing. And finally they took it back around 12 or 12, and I think they went back. They took the crow to Hydri Park. They said they will care for it, and when it is okay and it can fly, they will bring back and release it here.